Good morning students, this is your history lesson. Students, as you know that we have done chapter 3, the Indus Valley Civilization successfully. Moreover, I have given you overview of this chapter in previous lesson. Today in this lesson we will discuss question answers. So we start our lesson. Question 1. Name the two major sites of the Indus Valley Civilization in which provinces of present-day Pakistan are found. Answer. Civilization. As archaeologists in the 1920s found the remains of two large cities, Harappa in the Sahiwal district of Punjab and Mohenjo-daro in Sindh. Question 2. Why were ancient civilizations found along the banks of a river? Name three major rivers around which civilizations grew in ancient times. Answer. The river provided transport and water and fertile soil for crops. The river provided transport and water and fertile soil for crops. The rich soil of the river made agriculture easier by giving high yield crops. Three major rivers around which civilizations grew were: number 1, Nile in Egypt; 2, Tigris and Euphrates in Mesopotamia; 3, Yangtze River in China. Question 3. From what sources do we know the life pattern of the Indus Valley people? Answer. Knowledge about the Indus civilization comes from the work of archaeologists who discovered these sites and the buildings, tools, artwork, jewelry and sculpture found there and studied them in detail. By these finds, we come to know their life pattern. Question 4. The Harappans were city dwellers. Explain how their cities were planned. Answer. Town planning is the unique feature of Indus Valley civilization. Their town planning proves that they lived a highly civilized and developed life. Indus people were the first to build planned cities with scientific drainage system. The two-story houses had a public water supply. The cities were divided into residential and official areas and are examples of excellent urban planning. Question 5. Explain how the Indus Valley people grew crops. Answer. The Indus Valley people were highly skilled agriculturists. They used irrigation techniques and had large storehouses to store the surplus of crops gathered from the surrounding areas. Question 6. What is the importance of the seals? Answer. Seals were used to make a sealing or positive imprint. Sealings were used in ancient times for trade. They would be made on ceramics or the clay tags used to seal the rope around bundles of goods. Question 7. Give two reasons for the picture of the bull found on the seals. Answer. The presence of the bull on the seals tells us that the Indus people were agriculturists, and it was also the sign of one of their gods. Question 8. How did archaeologists discover the uniformity of culture in the Indus Valley civilization sites? Answer. The archaeologists noted uniformity in Indus Valley culture by examining their urban planning, baked brick houses, elaborate drainage systems, water supply systems, clusters of large non-residential buildings, and new techniques in handicrafts. Question 9. Why do you think did the Indus Valley civilization become extinct? Answer. Various reasons are given for this decline, such as the drying up of the Indus basin due to a change in the river course and the decrease in summer monsoons. This led to a slow deforestation and loss of agriculture, and civilization gradually became extinct. So students, this is your lesson for today. You have to learn these questions by heart. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.